In this problem, we are asked to simplify the expression -9 plus the square root of -4 over 3. Let's start working in our numerator at this square root of -4. So we can see that we have this negative inside of there, which will come out as an I. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as -9 plus I, and it's still, that I is multiplied by the square root of 4. So it goes right there as the coefficient of the radical, and this is still over 3. Okay, now let's continue working on this square root of 4. The square root of 4 is a perfect square, so we can go ahead and break that down as -9 plus the square root of 4 is 2. So that just becomes 2I over 3. So when we look at this, there's really nothing else that we can do to simplify this as one single fraction. Since we have an I in it, we can identify this as an imaginary expression. So our final answer is -9 plus 2I over 3, and it is imaginary. One other thing I just want to point out, when you have this imaginary value in here, this I, you want to write that second. You want to do the real part first, and then you want to do the imaginary part second. And that makes the overall expression imaginary.